Happykids TV.
Hello kids! Welcome to Fun and Learn. Let's learn lots of fun stuff. Yay! What are we doing today, Granny? Today we're going to open a surprise box.
Whoa! That sounds like fun!
Open it and see what's inside. I think I've got something. Oh, it's a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack!
Now let's look again. I think I found something. It's a black swan.
Wow! That's the most beautiful looking bird I've seen.
Let's look again. I think I found something. It's a rooster.
So smart looking.
Look, look, look. Let's look. Oh, there you are. I think I can find something. It's a cow. Moo. Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. Is there anything left inside? I wonder. I think I found something. Oh, it's a hen. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Let's look again. I don't think there's anything left. Oh no, there is. Oh look, it's a hare. Shall we look again and see if there's anything left inside? There is. It's a horse. What does a horse do?
Neigh! It neighs.
Yes. I found something else. Could it be? It's a bull. And it looks so smart. Shall we look? That's a camel. And it has 2 humps. Let's look again. I found something. It's a billy goat. Let's look again. Oh my, that's a sheep. It has lots of wool. I don't think there's anything left inside. Can we look? Oh yes, there is. It's a buffalo. A buffalo loves water. Farm animals. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel.